Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the unusual activity detected error on Elevenlabs. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Elevenlabs website and try generating a voice. If you see the unusual activity detected error, follow these steps to resolve it. Click the three-dot menu in Elevenlabs and go to Settings. Use the search bar to find cookies and site data, then click on Clear Cookies and Site Data. Next, go to Third-Party Cookies and select See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar, type Elevenlabs, then click on the result to view all stored data. Delete the cookies specifically for Elevenlabs. Now, open a new browser tab and go to the Elevenlabs website again. Refresh the page and check if the error is gone. Finally, refresh the Elevenlabs page once more and attempt to generate a voice again. After these steps, the error should no longer appear. So that's basically how you can fix the Elevenlabs unusual activity detected error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.